Hey guys, so yesterday we were looking at tally charts to record data. Today we're going to look at picture graphs to answer questions about the data. So a picture graph uses pictures to show data. So instead of tally marks, we see pictures. Brian recorded the number of games he played from March to June. So we can see that. He did March, April, May, and June. But first, when we see a picture graph, we have to look at the key. Each soccer ball stands for one game. So now I can go back and figure out how many games he played in March. He played 1, 2, 3, 4 games in March, 3 games in April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 games in May, and 7 games in June. Now let's work on this example together. It says, Aiden asked his friends what their favorite fruit was. Use the picture graph to answer the questions. So this is a picture graph, favorite fruit, and I'm going to look at the key first. 1 vote equals 1 smiley face. So now I can figure out and answer the questions based on what I already know. So my first question says, which fruit was the least popular? So that means what the person didn't like it. So the least one I can tell right away would be grapes. So in my answer box, I'm going to write grapes. And remember, these don't have to be incomplete sentences. Number 2, how many more kids chose pears than grapes? In this question, I'm comparing 2 different fruits, so I'm going to have to subtract. My first one is pears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm subtracting that from grapes, which is 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. If you don't know the subtraction or equal sign button, you can just write the number 5 is fine. Number 3, how many kids chose bananas and apples? So I want to know how many altogether. I have 6 bananas and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples. So 6 plus 10, that gives me 16. Last one. How many kids did Aiden ask? So now when you see a question like this, I want to see how many he asked in all. So I'm going to count all the smiley faces here. I know this is 10 because I just counted that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So Aiden asked 25 classmates. Perfect. So you're going to do the same thing for this graph about favorite snacks, number of pencils, favorite balloon color, and then you have a test prep. Okay? Have fun with picture graphs.